In today's digital age, data is king. Businesses and organizations across all industries rely heavily on data to make informed decisions, understand customer behavior, and drive growth. But what good is data if you can't access it, manipulate it, or derive meaningful insights from it? This is where SQL comes in. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is the lifeblood of databases, providing a powerful and standardized way to interact with and manage vast amounts of data. Imagine for a moment a massive library with millions of books, each containing valuable information. Without a cataloging system or a way to search for specific books, finding the information you need would be nearly impossible. SQL acts as the librarian of your data, allowing you to easily search, filter, and retrieve the exact information you need from massive databases. But SQL is much more than just a search tool. It empowers you to manipulate data in countless ways, from adding new records to updating existing ones, deleting obsolete information, and even restructuring entire databases. With SQL, you can perform complex calculations, generate reports, and gain valuable insights that would otherwise remain hidden within mountains of raw data. And here's the surprising fact: databases can crash. Years of meticulously compiled data can vanish in seconds. A robust understanding of SQL is essential, not only for managing and analyzing data, but also for backing up, restoring, and ensuring the long-term integrity of your valuable information. The heart of SQL lies in its queries, carefully crafted statements that tell the database what information you want to retrieve or what actions you want to perform. Think of SQL queries as questions you ask the database, and the database responds with the requested data or performs the requested action. SQL queries follow a specific syntax, much like a grammatical structure, to ensure clarity and precision in communication with the database. The most fundamental element of a SQL query is the keyword, which specifies the action to be performed. For example, the keyword select is used to retrieve data, while the keyword update is used to modify existing data. Following the keyword, you specify the target of the action, such as the table you want to access or the columns you want to retrieve. For instance, a simple query to retrieve all data from a table named customers would look like this. SQL queries can range in complexity from simple requests for specific data to intricate statements involving multiple tables, conditions, and calculations. Regardless of their complexity, all SQL queries adhere to the same basic principles of syntax and structure, making SQL a remarkably consistent and predictable language to work with. Let's delve into some of the fundamental operations that form the backbone of SQL Select. The workhorse of SQL, the statement, allows you to retrieve specific data from a table. You can select all columns using an asterisk, or specify individual columns by their names. For example, to retrieve only the names and email addresses of customers, you would use join. Often data is spread across multiple tables. The operation allows you to combine data from these tables based on a common column. For instance, you might have a customers table and an orders table. Using you can combine these tables to view the orders placed by each customer. CRUD operations: create, read, update, delete. CRUD operations encompass the fundamental actions of data manipulation. Create: the statement adds new rows, records to a table. Read: the statement, as we've seen, retrieves data from a table. Update: the statement modifies existing data in a table. Delete: the statement removes rows from a table. These basic operations provide a solid foundation for interacting with databases, allowing you to retrieve, modify, and manage data effectively. As you progress in your SQL journey, you'll encounter more advanced functionalities that unlock even greater analytical power. Group by. This clause allows you to group rows with the same values in a particular column. This is incredibly useful for summarizing data. For example, you can group customers by city to see how many customers you have in each location. Order by. This clause sorts the results of your query based on one or more columns. You can sort in ascending ASC or descending DSC order, allowing you to present data in a meaningful and organized way. These advanced functionalities add depth and flexibility to your SQL queries, enabling you to perform more sophisticated data analysis and extraction. Section 5: Real-world applications of SQL. The applications of SQL in the real world are virtually limitless, spanning across industries and domains. Businesses use SQL to manage customer data, track inventory, analyze sales trends, and personalize marketing campaigns. Financial institutions rely on SQL for processing transactions, managing accounts, detecting fraud, and ensuring data security. Healthcare providers utilize SQL to store patient records, track medical histories, analyze treatment effectiveness, and improve patient care. Social media platforms leverage SQL to manage user profiles, track connections, deliver personalized content, and analyze user engagement. These are just a few examples of how SQL is employed daily to manage, analyze, and derive insights from data, driving innovation and efficiency across countless fields. Section 6, SQL in action, managing an e-commerce platform. Let's consider a concrete example, an e-commerce platform. SQL is the backbone of such a platform, handling everything from user registration and product catalog management to order processing and inventory tracking. When a user creates an account, their information is stored in a user's table. The platform uses SQL statement to add the user's data to this table. When the user browses products, SQL statement retrieves product information from the products table, displaying it to the user. When the user adds an item to their cart, SQL updates the cart table, linking the user's ID with the product ID and quantity. During checkout, SQL's operation combines data from the users, products, and cart tables to generate the order details. Throughout this entire process, SQL ensures data integrity, accuracy, and consistency, providing a seamless and secure experience for both the user and the e-commerce platform. Section 7, the power of SQL in data analysis. Beyond basic data management, SQL empowers you to perform insightful data analysis, uncovering hidden patterns, trends, and correlations that can inform critical business decisions. For instance, an e-commerce platform can use SQL to analyze sales data, identifying the most popular products, peak buying seasons, and average order values. By grouping sales by product category, region, or time period, they can gain a granular understanding of customer behavior and tailor their marketing strategies accordingly. Furthermore, SQL can be used to segment customers based on their purchase history, demographics, or browsing patterns, allowing for targeted advertising and personalized recommendations. By analyzing customer reviews and feedback, businesses can identify areas for improvement, enhance product offerings, and ultimately drive customer satisfaction and loyalty. Section 8. Mastering SQL, a journey, not a destination. Mastering SQL is not about memorizing every single command or function. It's about understanding the fundamental concepts of relational databases, mastering the art of crafting effective queries, and developing the analytical mindset to extract meaningful insights from data. Like any valuable skill, proficiency in SQL takes time, practice, and a willingness to explore its vast capabilities. Start with the basics, experiment with different queries, and gradually challenge yourself with more complex scenarios. Embrace the learning process, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are valuable stepping stones on your path to mastery. Numerous resources are available to guide you on your SQL journey, from online tutorials and interactive courses to comprehensive books and community forums. Embrace these resources, connect with fellow learners, and never stop seeking knowledge and inspiration. Section 9. Conclusion. Embrace the power of SQL. In today's data-driven world, SQL is an indispensable skill for anyone who interacts with data, from business analysts and marketers to developers and data scientists. Its ability to efficiently manage, manipulate, and analyze data makes it an invaluable tool for organizations of all sizes and industries. By mastering the fundamentals of SQL, you unlock a world of possibilities, empowering yourself to make sense of complex data sets, uncover hidden insights, and drive informed decision-making. Embrace the power of SQL and embark on a rewarding journey of data exploration and discovery.